This is Beatrice. There's a roach, cockroach. Oh my gosh. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 5 dead bees at the top here. They probably just couldn't get back down. That sucks. Okay. They are going to town on that winter pro patty. They're liking that. Y'all had drones, that's what it was. They had drones and they had an extra queen. I really don't see any need to bust up the hive, to be honest. For video purposes, I suppose I'll get into this hive. Well, that was my sign. That was kind of my internal thought, telling myself if that frame pops up without me having to pull on it, I'm not going to get in it. But hey ladies, how is everybody? Doing good, I hope. Big old pollen pants. Got brood, bee bread. Oh, there's, yes, obviously, eggs and larvae. Day old. Beautiful. Beautiful. So what I'm looking for, obviously, is resources and population. Do they have capped brood, honey, bee bread, all the good things that honeybees need in a thriving hive? And this frame is a perfect example. So obviously I already know that there's a queen in here because I just saw day-old eggs and all this brand new larva and stuff. I am curious though if it is still my old queen with the blue dot or if there's a new queen. Why is all this uncapped? It's brand new. Sometimes honeybees will cap over and then uncap capped cells for varroa. They will uncap cells and look for varroa mites. They kind of treat them their own hives. I've said this many times, honeybees don't need us. We just try to keep them in a box. Brand new eggs and larvae. Beautiful laying pattern. There's my queen. Oh, bless her heart. Her old blue dot is faded. There she is. Good old Beatrice. What is going on here? Am I stuck? Okay. It's alright, old girl. I still see you. Alrighty. Doing great, doing great. So that's really enough. I can close this back up. And that's what they all look like. And based on the sound, that's what they all look like. There's no need to bust open a hive, especially in mid-January. Really, for any reason. I mean, what are you gonna do? The only reason why I did right now was just because. But I really have no need to be in here. Other than being nosy, right, ladies? So, let's get out of here. I'll leave y'all alone, leave you to it, and let you work your magic. How about that? Make sure you leave the lid, the crack, the gap, bottom back with your hive tool out of the way.